Hey, are you looking for ways to make your morning toast more interesting? Here are 6 topping ideas that are not just delicious, but they are also healthy and affordable so that you stay motivated on your diet and keep losing weight while ripping off the health benefits. Enjoy. We are starting with the viral yogurt custard toast. This toast went viral on TikTok and everyone was making it. So let's make one ourselves. Mix 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt with 1 egg. Mine happened to have 2 yolks. And then add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix everything until smooth. Then get a whole grain sliced bread and push it down a bit. Don't overdo it because the bottom can get very soggy. Then spread the custard mix and add some berries. Place it in the air fryer at 390 degrees for 5 minutes. You can also use a toaster or an oven. Next is an avocado egg toast. I'm using a sweet potato toast for this traditional breakfast staple. You can check out my video on sweet potato recipes for weight loss to see how to easily make this gluten-free toast. Add your avocado and egg on top, and for extra flavor, drizzle some sriracha aioli made with Greek yogurt, honey, lemon juice, and sriracha. Then we have this creamy blueberry compote toast. Let's start by making this blueberry compote by adding blueberries, some honey, and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. That's all you need to heat up the blueberries and get their juices out. Then add another 5 fresh blueberries into the juice and smash them. And let the compote cool off so it can thicken. For the meantime, spread cream cheese on your toast and then add the blueberry compote on top. Next we have the berry cottage cheese toast. Grab your toast and spread some cottage cheese. Top it with some berries and some nuts if you happen to have some lying around your kitchen, and drizzle with honey, and it's ready to be devoured. Have you ever craved for pizza in the morning? Because I have. So for those mornings, you can have a pizza toast. Press down on your bread toast, just a little bit, don't overdo it, and spread some marinara sauce. Add some tomato, mozzarella, and pepperoni if you want to. Pop it in the toaster or air fryer for about 5 minutes, and it's ready to satisfy that craving. Then we have this delicious and creamy peanut butter yogurt toast. Mix in 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Spread it on top of your toast and add some apples. This goes really good with bananas too.
I hope you enjoy the toppings and check out the other weight loss recipes in my channel. See you next time.